Hello everyone, this will be my first sharing session for stocks. For this episode, we focus on Puregold. As you know, everyone is going to the groceries and they can't do anything else. It is also tempting to note that for Puregold, it caters to mostly class C, D, and E segments of the population. So you could expect like majority of Filipinos going to these types of supermarkets, including Robinsons or SM. And probably all hope. Yeah. But that will be for another song. Let's just focus on Turkey for now. As you can see, there's an uptick in Pure Gold for the daily volume. Starting with the quarantine, this was the day um, on March. Let's see, March 2 started to break down below 37. Then it went to as low as 28 or around that period. On that was on around March 16 when ECQ was declared the enhanced community card. And then after that, you will notice that it started to come up from as low as 25 to almost around the level of 46 to 40. So far, it has went up to 40. 48 was the level it was observed last July 30, 2019. As you can see, this will be our first chart. As you can see, it has a MACD moving average convergence divergence. It has already crossed above the zero line, and look, it's starting to converge again here. So that will be your marker that there will be a shift in the trend. Okay. Besides, as you can see, um, there's no compelling reason to say that it can go above 48 or 49, except for if it will replicate the pattern from 2017 to 2018, where it went to as high as 56. So I guess for the meantime, while the ECQ is still in effect, this is a good, I think this is already a good resistance point. So you might want to unload some of your shares here above while it hasn't still gone back to 44. So you can see this is the Bollinger Bands. The midline is 44. So that will be your initial support. Your next support obviously would be around here. So this is the post pre ECQ level of 30 to 40. And then obviously if it goes below 25, then something must be wrong. Either the fundamentals or whatnot. But I don't think it will go as back to as low as 25 in the near future because pure gold is an essential commodity nowadays. So that is our MACD and Bollinger Bands. If we will look for the pattern, the parabolic pattern here, let's reduce this. First, it's not volatile. As for now, you can see that volatility was high. At the time of the ECQ was granted, around March 1916 and whatnot. So volatility is very high, but it has already gone down to manageable levels, but it wasn't increasing its share price. And RSI and MFI, so this will indicate, for example, at this point on April 15, your RSI is above around 80. That indicates that it has already been overbought. So obviously, that was a trigger for everyone to sell their shares to below 43. But then it went back again because, well, still pure gold is still needed. Um, as you can see also from here, the parabolic trend is rising. So that's a good support. However, in the past 2 days of trading, that would be April 29 to April 30, that has already shifted gears to a falling pattern. So you might want to unload some of your shares or here. So in summary, for pure gold, for your resistance level would be at the price of 48 pesos per share. Your support one would be at around 43.5 to 44 per share. Your pre-ECQ level of 39 to 40 would be your middle support. which is almost equal to your MA21 and your median Bollinger Band. However, most indicators will indicate a decrease in the short term, so you better do risk management. That's it for now. Thank you for